Join me for a look at the historic Winsted Clock Factory complex in Winsted, Connecticut. Located quite literally on the banks of the Still River. Apparently, this area had a tall dam at one point many years ago to create a large head of water for operating this part of the factory. Still visible right near the river is what appears to be the remains of a tail race outlet for expelling water from the building. And a view of the building looking from the other direction. As well as the other side of the building. The company went out of business in 1964 and the building is now apartments. Starting in the 1840s, clockmaking was a major industry in Connecticut, in places like Winsted, Bristol, and Waterbury. Hey, I hope you enjoyed this as much as I do, and join us next time for more cool stuff on Randolph's Rants.